This exercise is the weighted stability ball crunch.
Make sure that the stability ball is positioned on the lower back as we did on just the regular stability ball crunches. You're going to hold the weight above your head. So I usually point it at the ceiling, and then I kind of focus on a position of the ceiling and kind of thrust forward for that position. So instead of, putting the weight on your chest and just, coming up and down, we're actually going to put that weight above you, and you'll notice it's actually much more of a challenge this way because it incorporates, all the core musculature, and, you're doing this more of a lunging motion than a crunch.